पूरी मजनू वाली हालत हो गई है मेरी. It's nice to feel this, okay? Okay, so met someone. Didn't think I was going to feel that much at first, but infatuation पहले दिन से हो चुकी थी. बहुत अरसे के बाद ऐसा हुआ है that I'm beginning to feel this thing when I'm with someone where I don't know how to say this right without sounding, it's melancholic pain. So even though जब मैं उसके साथ होता हूँ and I'm with him and I'm spending time with him, rather than enjoying the time that I'm with him, मेरा दिमाग already ये सोच रहा है that this time is going to end. Okay? Every time when I'm spending time with this boy, rather than just enjoying that moment of just, having him to me, I'm always thinking about the fact that, oh fuck, this is going to end, it's not going to last. That's happened to me after a very long time. It's a good feeling. जो दूसरी बात मेरे लिए इंटरेस्टिंग हुई, आई एम ऑलवेज द सेंटर ऑफ, बहुत मॉडेस्टली बोलने की कोशिश करूंगा पर ये होगा नहीं ऐसे. A lot of places I normally go, things, people, circumstances, they start building around me, okay? मेरी जो कहानी होती है, मेरी जो लाइफ की जर्नी होती है, I'm always the central part in that character. मेरे आसपास जो भी लोग हैं, they're very kind to sort of adjust their life to meet mine, and I'm very used to that. बहुत टाइम के बाद I met someone where I have made all the adjustments, where this isn't about Paras at all, it's about this guy, and that feels very nice. पिछले टाइम की जो 1-1.5 साल की मेरे लिए जर्नी रही है, I've been talking about the fact that I'm looking for love, and I've been finding it in multiple places. जो एक तीसरी रियलाइजेशन मेरे लिए हुई है वो एक, मैं जब बोलता हूँ मैं प्यार ढूंढ रहा हूँ वो गलत नहीं है, पर जो मेरे लिए जो इंटरेस्टिंग था रियलाइज करना वो ये था कि which I always know, my best friend Shivam knows all these stories about me because I'm sharing it. I like my bubble romances, right? मेरे दिमाग में जब कोई भी चीज शुरू होती है रोमांस के साथ, sad, but it always has an expiry date. I always keep saying, once people sort of, जब आपके 2-3 relationships हो चुके होते हैं, बहुत आसान होता है किसी को बोलना कि don't carry baggage from the last relationship. As free-willed and free-spirited as I am, I'm so aware that मेरे आसपास में इतनी सारी दीवारें खड़े कर देता हूँ. I'm creating so many walls around myself to make sure I keep protecting myself. और जाने अनजान में ये जो प्रोटेक्शन हो गया, मैंने ऐसा कर दिया कि मैंने अपने आप को पहले ही प्रोटेक्ट कर दिया इतने अच्छे से, where I keep telling everyone in my head कि when I fall in love with someone, इतने टाइम के लिए just enjoy this and move on. उस चक्कर में क्या होता है, I never fall into it deep. I never immerse myself in love. Okay. ये वाला जो बबल है, आई एम फीलिंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, जस्ट सेपरेशन एंजाइटी. Okay, not like we do a lot of stuff together, we just chill together, that's all we do, okay? But just that has so much meaning to me. I can't believe I am saying this, but I've realized sex doesn't have to be the most important thing when you love someone. It would be great if there was more of it or some of it. But really, I think I'm feeling this after such a long time where, when I'm with this boy and I'm feeling what I'm feeling and I'm and मेरे दिमाग में से एक deadline चलती रहती है कि यार I have so much time with him, I have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes with him. And it's a beautiful feeling. For me, I think this trip has been a lot of things. I have to now decide अगर मैं यहाँ पे रहता हूँ Monday से या I leave on Monday or Tuesday. मैंने पिछले हफ्ते भी try किया था, but he was a very big reason why I stayed back. Actually, he was the only reason I stayed back because he told me a lot of the stuff I wanted to hear. But now I think I need to. I spoke to my absolute BFF Vasundhara. Okay, she's in Dharamkot and you've seen her in my videos. I love her. She's just such a bro. Like I love that girl, and she was just giving me advice. And she said, "The last 2 weeks for you have been about this boy. Now make it about you." जो मैं यहाँ पे already चीजें कर रहा था before my entire life became about this boy, and this has been beautiful. She's like, just do you, have fun, do another yoga course. Now stay for Paras. I think slowly I need to get out of my bubble, put myself first, get out. वो ये जो feeling है when you realize that someone makes you so incredibly happy, एक तरफ तो you say कि भाई अपनी सारी खुशियाँ किसी और दूसरे इंसान में मत डालो, ये बोलना आसान होता है. But it does feel nice to know that there is something besides just your own narcissism that you value so much. अगर आपको ऐसी खुशी मिले ना किसी के साथ, when you don't want to stay away from them, you know that there's something very deep there. Big pucci.